Let's consider the following quadratic function, g of x. Write the equation in the form g of x is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Then give the vertex of its graph. In order to do that, we need to complete the square. And to complete the square, we first factor out the -3 so that we focus our attention to x squared minus 8x. I'm going to leave a space there to complete the square. I'm going to take 46 off outside that parenthesis. To complete the square, we take that 8 and divide it by 2. Take that 8 divided by 2, you get 4. 4 squared, you get 16. So we're going to subtract 48. If we subtract 48 on the right-hand side of the function, we need to make sure everything is equivalent to the function above. And the way we do that is add 0. So if we took away 48, we need to add 48 back. How can you tell that you took away 48? Well, you simply take -3 times 16. So you took away 48, and then we got to add 48 back. Now notice g of x is now equivalent to the g of x that was given. G of x is now equal to -3 times the quantity x minus 4 squared plus 2. And we know the vertex. The vertex is 4, 2. Because we know that the vertex is h, k. So we got one ordered pair from the parabola. We also know the axis of symmetry. That often helps us graph the parabola, so let's state that. Axis of symmetry is the vertical line. And how do we label vertical lines? We label it as x equals 4. So even though it didn't ask for the axis of symmetry, let's provide it because it will help us graph much easier. I'm going to go ahead and label the 5 ordered pairs with a t-chart. And we have one of the ordered pairs, 4, 2. So what's 2 units left of 4? Well, we could try 2 and 3. And then we could try 5 and 6. So let's find g of 2. G of 2 is the expression -3 times 2 squared plus 24. Make sure you put that 2 in parentheses. And subtract 46. We get, what do we get here? We get -12 add 2, which is -10. Let's find g of 3. G of 3. See how much that is. That's -27. Add 72, and then take away 46. Let's do 46 and 27. Let's see how much that is. That's 73. So this is going to equal -1. So we have -10, then we have -1, then we have -1, and then we have -10 again. Let's plot this parabola, or this parabolic function. Let's plot the vertex first. 4, 2. And this parabola is going to open downward. Let's plot 3, -1. That means we have 5, -1. And if it helps, draw the axis of symmetry. Usually we draw it as a dotted vertical line. And we could go ahead and label that. That's x equals 4. So that is the axis of symmetry. We need 2 more ordered pairs. Let's try 6, negative 10. And what else we have? 2, negative 10. So make sure you always graph your functions by hand before you use any software. So if you're doing your homework, have graph paper out, have a straight edge, have a pencil ready, have an eraser ready, and practice your mathematical drawings. Drawing is a mathematical skill. Labeling is a mathematical skill as well. So there you go. You've drawn your parabola. I'm going to go ahead and circle the final answer. We're also going to circle the ordered pairs because those correspond to the dots that you graphed.